whoso findeth a wife he who findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtaineth favor of the Lord. Now, this is a very true statement. There's nothing more valuable, because finding the wife is a good thing means that she's also a good wife. A wife can, what is the old saying? A wife can throw more out the back door with a tablespoon than a husband can throw in the front with a scoop shovel, I think it is. You know, not to mention the love, and the wife is the center of the family. And through the womb is even the purpose, as earth itself is called the womb that holds a family together. So, and God honors that, okay? He favors it. 23. The poor useth entreaties, but the rich answereth roughly. The poor here, maybe think of it as a needy person, is going to entreat you nicely because he's in need. He can't afford to be rough. But a rich man will probably answer roughly at times. I mean, he doesn't need your help. Many might say, well, why would he put this in here? It really has no meaning. Yes, it does. This helps you discern friends. And if you've heard the old saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Well, a friend that is in need, and that's what this word poor means here. It doesn't mean he is poor because he chose to be. But the person in need is naturally going to approach you in a way, and that's common sense. It's good that he uses common sense to acquire that. Whereas a rich person might answer you flippantly. That's just life, so expect it. You will find contrary to both those, though. That's why you must learn to discern people and mark them in your mind. Verse 24. A man that hath friends must show himself friendly. And there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. In other words, there is a friend, hath friends must show himself friendly. He must, when things get rough, okay, and when you have been been rended or something of that nature, well, certainly a lot of those friends are going to leave you. And but one that sticks with you even through the bad, that's a friend indeed, and they are closer than a brother, and they will stick with you. That's called a real friend. So the translation is not really that good, but we could say the friend must, a man that hath friends must show himself friendly. If someone should rend you and you became needy, then there's only a few going to stick with you. You got it? Kind of the reverse of the one above. Chapter 19, an interesting chapter. It has to do with, let's say, personal character, yours, and humility. A very good thing for you to have. For humility comes before honor. Remember? Verse 1.